Ekostrovskoye Rural Community, Russian, AB at 2A, 5A5 laws, 51I5AB2 was an administrative division, a rural community, of Kemsky Uyezd of Arkhangelsk Governorate of the Russian Empire, which existed in 1861-1866. Ekostrovskoye Rural Community was one of the 8 rural communities of Kemsky Uyezd created on March 8 OS February 25, 1861 to replace volosts. The rural community had the same rights as the volosts and other uyezds.As at the time of its creation. It included the pogosts of Babinsky, Ekostrovsky, Maselgsky, Notozersky, and Arkhangelsk. In 1866, the rural community was transformed into Ekostrovskaya Volost. References. Notes. Sources. ADI 82 equals K9B 45. 48 equals 8AB at 0 F88C at 0 equals A910 AB8. AC 40 at A B2 5 equals K9 at E82C at 0 equals A910 AB8. 1995. 48 equals 8AB at 0 B82 equals B5 at 8B at 80L equals 545 5 equals 85C at 0 equals A910 AB8. 1920 to 1993 33. At 0 2G equals 8, C at 0 equals A, C at 0 equals A5 8740 B5 law, 83 at 0 DHG5A, 5 at 54 at 80 B85 525 at